Starting around 05 April 2024, Bitcoin Cash most certainly is exchanging at $671.82 in term of its US rate, with a value change of 336% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes. Or so they really thought. BCH explicitly has a sort of complete market cap of $13,226 to $566 to $471, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $276 108 882. Or so they by and large thought. This especially makes Bitcoin Cash BCH positioning at 13 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitcoin Cash for the most part be worth in 2024? Is Bitcoin Cash a truly wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, or so they really thought? Will BCH cost outperform its unsurpassed high in a sort of enormous manner? These basically are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH's future in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BCH cost most certainly is supposed to especially cross a very normal value level of $870.36, the normal in every practical sense. Least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the especially current year ought to basically be $845.18. Really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, BCH can in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $9.2523 in a significant manner. Bitcoin Cash value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash sort of is supposed to especially be at around an extremely least of $604.36. Which certainly is very huge. Bitcoin Cash cost can arrive at a genuinely limit of $679.91 with the extremely normal cost of $661.02 in USD in a really significant way. Bitcoin Cash value gauge May 2024 the buy and large normal cost of Bitcoin Cash BCH could really go to $680.85 toward the finish of May 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. BCH could by and large be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $712.96 with a base expected cost of $655.67, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $682.91 and $740.19 in a genuinely significant manner, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $708.09, exhibiting how Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BCH cost generally is supposed to cross an especially normal value level of $870.36. The normal really least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be $845.18, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation July 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $704.93 and $768.52. Essentially further appearance how BCH could fundamentally be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $712.96 with a kind of least expected cost of $655.67 in an unpretentious manner, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $736.41 in a very large manner. Bitcoin Cash value gauge August 2024. The genuinely normal cost of Bitcoin Cash BCH could go to $758.50 toward August 2024 in an unobtrusive manner's end. BCH could essentially be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $797.97 with a kind of least expected cost of $727.03 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Bitcoin Cash value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash essentially is supposed to for the most part be at around a kind of least of $749.78. So Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $682.91 and $740.19 in a very enormous manner. Bitcoin Cash cost can sort of arrive at an especially limit of $828.32 with the essentially normal cost of $781.26 in USD, which really is very critical. Bitcoin Cash value expectation October 2024. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is somewhat anticipated to generally reach at a truly least worth of $779.52 in October 2024 in an essentially large way. The BCH cost could explicitly arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $859.57 with the very normal exchanging worth of $804.70 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Cash Value Gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the greatest cost for Bitcoin Cash could, in every way that really matters, stretch around $891.75, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2024 by and large is $805.41 with a genuinely normal cost of $836.88, exhibiting that also BCH can really arrive at an especially greatest value level of $925.23 in a quite enormous manner. Bitcoin Cash BCH value estimate December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash is for the most part anticipated to essentially arrive at a typical cost of $870.36, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $925.23 and a truly least of $845.18, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Cash truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's cost for the most part has shown a very decent increment of 474% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, as opposed to prevalent thinking. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the BCH basically was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 839%, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Cash generally has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential recently, and this could be in every way that really matters. Great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin Cash Value Figure 2024 Facts. What will basically be Bitcoin Cash commonly worth in 2024 in a fundamentally significant manner? The BCH cost especially is gauged to for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $925.23 with certainly least cost of $845.18 toward the finish of 2024. Which in a real sense shows that while the for the most part normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $736.41 in an especially huge manner. Does Bitcoin Cash basically have a future, or so they thought? As far as value, Bitcoin Cash basically has an exceptional sort of potential to arrive at new levels in a truly significant manner essentially. It generally is figured that BCH will increment in esteem, showing how might BCH cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed especially high in an especially significant manner, as indicated by commonly unambiguous specialists and business investigators. Bitcoin Cash can in every way that really matters hit the practically the greatest cost of $28,748 till 2030, which explicitly is very critical. Is Bitcoin Cash genuinely worth purchasing in 2024, or so they generally thought? Bitcoin Cash's worth especially is supposed to explicitly